Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches many lives: nerve damage. Whether due to an injury, a medical condition, or even vitamin deficiencies, nerve damage can significantly impact your day-to-day activities. But here's some good news. Certain vitamins play a pivotal role in repairing and supporting nerve health. In this video, we're going to explore these vitamins in detail. We're not just listing them, we're counting them down from important to absolutely essential. These are the vitamins that can make a real difference in your journey towards nerve health and recovery. As we go through each vitamin, we'll share not just their benefits, but also where you can find them in your diet, and some of the science-backed research supporting their effectiveness. This is crucial information for anyone looking to aid their body's natural healing processes or simply to maintain optimal nerve health. But before we jump into our countdown, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly health insights. And for our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Now, grab a notepad or just settle in as we start our countdown of the 8 incredible vitamins for nerve damage repair. Let's get started and uncover these nutritional powerhouses together. As we begin our countdown of essential vitamins for nerve damage repair, we start with vitamin B1, commonly known as thiamine. This nutrient plays a key role in maintaining nerve health and is pivotal in the body's energy production process. Thiamine is especially vital for those managing conditions like diabetic neuropathy, a form of nerve damage often seen in individuals with diabetes. A fascinating aspect of thiamine is its potential in preventing complications associated with diabetic neuropathy. Research, including a study published in the Journal of Diabetes Complications, has highlighted that thiamine supplementation can be beneficial in mitigating some of these complications. This is particularly intriguing as diabetic neuropathy can lead to significant discomfort and impact quality of life. You might be wondering where to find this nerve-supporting nutrient. Thiamine is abundantly available in a variety of foods. Whole grains are an excellent source, packing a healthy dose of thiamine alongside other beneficial nutrients. Meat, particularly lean cuts, also provides a good amount of thiamine. For those who prefer plant-based sources, nuts are not only rich in thiamine, but also offer healthy fats and proteins. Incorporating these thiamine-rich foods into your diet can be a simple yet effective step towards supporting your nerve health. Whether you're dealing with nerve damage directly or looking to bolster your overall nerve function, paying attention to your vitamin B1 intake is a smart move for your health. Moving on to the next crucial vitamin in our countdown, we have vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This vitamin is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining nerve health. It's integral in various bodily functions, including playing a significant role in nerve function and the creation of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Vitamin B6 is particularly essential for those looking to repair nerve damage and manage symptoms of neuropathy. Neuropathy, which refers to a range of conditions involving nerve damage, can result in symptoms like tingling, pain, and numbness, primarily in the hands and feet. Incorporating sufficient vitamin B6 into your diet can be a key step in addressing these discomforts. Now, let's talk about where to find this nerve-nurturing nutrient. Vitamin B6 can be found in a variety of foods, making it accessible in everyday diets. Chicken is a fantastic source, offering a good amount of B6 along with other essential nutrients. Fish, another excellent source, provides B6 and is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for overall health. And for those who prefer plant-based options, potatoes are not just comforting but also a good source of vitamin B6. However, it's important to approach vitamin B6 with a balance in mind. Interestingly, while a deficiency in B6 can lead to nerve problems, excessive intake of this vitamin can also cause neuropathy. This highlights the importance of a balanced diet, and of course, it is vital to consult with your healthcare provider for guidance on appropriate supplementation. At number 6, we have vitamin B9, widely known as folate. This vitamin plays a collaborative role with vitamin B12 in the formation of red blood cells and is a key factor in cellular growth and regeneration. Its significance extends to maintaining healthy nerve function, making it a valuable nutrient in the context of nerve damage repair. Folate's involvement in cell growth is particularly important when considering nerve health. Healthy cell growth is crucial for the repair and maintenance of the nervous system. In the case of peripheral neuropathy, a condition where nerves outside the brain and spinal cord are damaged, folate's role becomes even more critical. Research suggests that adequate folate levels may assist in managing and potentially improving conditions like peripheral neuropathy, offering a beacon of hope for those affected. One of the great things about folate is its availability in a variety of foods, many of which are common in everyday diets. Leafy greens, for instance, are not just good for overall health, but are also a rich source of folate. Including foods like spinach, kale, and broccoli in your diet can boost your folate intake naturally. Legumes, such as lentils and beans, are another excellent source, offering both folate and protein. Nuts, too, are packed with folate, alongside healthy fats and fibers. Incorporating these folate-rich foods into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support nerve health. Whether you're directly dealing with nerve damage or looking to maintain optimal nerve function, folate is a vitamin that shouldn't be overlooked. Its benefits in cell growth and red blood cell formation make it a key player in your nervous system's health and resilience. We're now at the halfway point of our list. Let's talk about vitamin E. This one's a bit of a superhero in the vitamin world, known for its powerful antioxidant abilities. Antioxidants are like your body's defense team, protecting your cells from damage. And when it comes to your nerves, this protection is super important. Here's where it gets interesting for those dealing with nerve damage, especially from conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy is nerve damage caused by high blood sugar levels, and it can be pretty tough to deal with. But vitamin E steps in as a potential game changer. A study published in the journal Neurology discovered something pretty cool. People with diabetic neuropathy who took vitamin E supplements saw improvements in their nerve function. This isn't just good news, it's a ray of hope for many. Beyond nerve health, vitamin E is also known to protect skin from sun damage, reduce signs of aging, and improve overall skin texture and hydration. It's also significant for heart health, as it may help prevent or delay coronary heart disease by limiting the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and maintaining healthy blood vessel function. In terms of immune support, vitamin E is particularly beneficial for older adults, enhancing the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens and reducing the risk of infections. Its benefits for eye health are notable too, especially in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Additionally, vitamin E's anti-inflammatory effects can be advantageous in conditions characterized by inflammation. There's also emerging research suggesting its potential role in cognitive health, including slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative disorders. However, it's important to approach vitamin E intake with balance, as excessive consumption, especially through supplements, can lead to adverse health effects. While vitamin E supplements can be beneficial for some, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation, especially for those with specific health conditions or who are taking medication. However, it's also important to remember that getting vitamin E from natural food sources is often more advantageous. You might be wondering, where can I find natural sources of vitamin E? The good news is that it's abundant in many delicious foods. Nuts and seeds, for instance, are not only rich in vitamin E, but also make for great snacks or additions to salads. They offer a combination of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, making them an excellent dietary choice. Similarly, green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are fantastic sources of this essential nutrient. Including these vegetables in your diet not only boosts your vitamin E intake, but also provides a host of other health benefits. These natural food sources ensure you're getting vitamin E in a form that's easy for your body to use, along with a variety of other nutrients essential for overall health. Now, at number 4, let's talk about a vitamin that's often the star of the show when it comes to health talks: vitamin C. This vitamin is famous for boosting the immune system, but its talents don't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in collagen formation and nerve repair, which is great news for anyone focusing on nerve health. When we think of vitamin C, we often picture oranges or lemonade, but its impact on our body is far more profound, especially concerning nerve health. Collagen, a protein vital for skin and connective tissues, is also important in the structure of nerves. Vitamin C is essential in the synthesis of collagen, helping to repair and maintain nerve cells. It's like a repairman for your body, constantly working to keep things in tip-top shape. And here's something interesting for those delving deeper into the science of it. A study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition revealed that vitamin C could play a role in reducing oxidative stress in nerves. Oxidative stress is a bit like rust on metal. It can wear down your nerves over time. By combating this, vitamin C helps keep your nerves strong and functional. Now, where can you get this fantastic vitamin? Citrus fruits are a go-to source. Think oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are also packed with vitamin C and make a delicious snack or addition to your breakfast. And let's not overlook bell peppers. They're not only versatile in cooking, but are also vitamin C powerhouses. Including these foods in your diet is a tasty and natural way to boost your vitamin C intake. Not only do they contribute to nerve repair and maintenance, but they also bring a host of other health benefits, from skin health to improved immunity. It's a win-win situation with these nutrient-rich foods. As we continue our countdown and arrive at number 3, we turn our attention to vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Known for its essential roles in bone health and immune system support, vitamin D also has a significant impact on nerve health, an aspect that is gaining increasing attention in the health community. Vitamin D's relationship with nerve health is particularly important in the context of neuropathic pain, a type of chronic pain that often results from nerve damage. Studies have shown that lower levels of vitamin D are associated with an increased experience of neuropathic pain. It's as if the body is signaling a deficiency that's affecting nerve function. A key study published in the journal Pain Physician highlights an intriguing aspect of vitamin D's role in nerve health. This study found that vitamin D supplementation could help in reducing neuropathic pain. This is a significant discovery, considering the complexity of treating neuropathic pain. However, before you rush to the supplement aisle, it's important to remember that supplements are not a one-size-fits-all solution. Individual needs can vary greatly, and supplements can interact with medications or exacerbate certain health conditions. Therefore, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any vitamin D supplementation. They can provide guidance based on your individual health profile and needs. While supplements can be beneficial, obtaining vitamin D naturally is often preferable. Sunlight is the most direct way to increase vitamin D levels, as it triggers the production of this vitamin in your skin. Food sources like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy and plant milk also contribute to vitamin D intake. Ensuring adequate vitamin D, whether through diet, sunlight, or supplements, is not only vital for your bones and immune system, but also plays a key role in maintaining healthy nerve function and managing nerve-related pain. As we near the top of our list at number 2, let's focus on a crucial nutrient that, while not a vitamin, is immensely important for nerve health: omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the unsung heroes of the nutritional world, especially when it comes to maintaining and repairing nerve health. One of the standout qualities of omega-3 fatty acids is their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be a significant factor in nerve damage and neuropathic pain. It's like a fire inside the body that can harm nerve cells. Omega-3s in this context act like a soothing balm, reducing inflammation and aiding in nerve regeneration. This makes them particularly beneficial for conditions like neuropathy, where nerve repair is crucial. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what the research says. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience brought to light the effectiveness of omega-3 fatty acids in nerve repair. This research underscores the potential of omega-3s in not just managing, but actively promoting nerve healing, which is exciting news for anyone concerned with nerve health. Now, you might be wondering where to get these amazing omega-3s. Fortunately, they are readily available in a variety of foods. Flax seeds and walnuts are fantastic plant-based sources, making them a great choice for everyone, including those on a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fish oil, particularly from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, is another rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly boost your omega-3 intake, contributing to better nerve health and reduced neuropathic pain. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our list, and sitting at number 1 is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. When it comes to nerve health, vitamin B12 is nothing short of essential. It's the superstar vitamin that your nerves absolutely love and need to stay healthy. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the insulation and regeneration of nerve fibers. Think of it as the protective coating and repair agent for your nerve cells. This is super important because a lack of B12 can lead directly to nerve damage. It's like not having enough insulation on electrical wires. Things just don't function properly. The significance of vitamin B12 in nerve repair has been highlighted in numerous studies. For instance, research published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery and Psychiatry has shown that supplementation of B12 can lead to improved nerve regeneration. This is particularly valuable information for those dealing with nerve damage, as it provides a direct way to support nerve repair processes. So, where can you find this nerve-boosting nutrient? Vitamin B12 is predominantly found in animal products. Meat, fish, and dairy are all excellent sources. For those who prefer plant-based diets, fortified cereals can be a good option to ensure adequate B12 intake. Incorporating sufficient vitamin B12 into your diet is more than just a good practice for overall health. It's a critical step in maintaining and repairing nerve health. Whether through diet or supplementation, ensuring you have enough vitamin B12 can be a game changer for your nerves' well-being. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the essential vitamins and nutrients for nerve health. What are your thoughts on these vitamins and nutrients? Have you incorporated any of these into your diet for nerve health, and what changes have you noticed? Do you have any tips or recipes that include these nerve-boosting nutrients? Share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below. Your insights and stories can be incredibly helpful to others in our community who are on a similar health journey. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands, and making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle can make a significant difference. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.